having a video camera. Yeah. You can do a voiceover anyway.
Yeah, absolutely.
Have you ever been out to Blakeney?
I think I have a long time ago, and it was a windy, overcast day. Real photography day.
Yeah, you need it out there. I've been out there when it's blue sky and it's not quite as nice. You need cloud. It's so flat. There are no features anywhere. I'm actually running my software now off of that external hard drive. I installed it on the hard drive rather than on the computer, and it runs really quickly and it doesn't crash anymore. Because if you run it off a computer, if you move the mouse too quickly, or if you click and drag something too quickly, it just crashes, freezes, it crashes the whole computer. Really. But it hasn't done it, and I've been doing loads of stuff with it, like lots of different layers of film, because you can do up to about 6 or 7 layers of film on top of each other, cut in between them. So it's brilliant. And I've been trying a green screen.